a long periodically tan.
We been down at 6 my regular. I'm talking 6 for
Hey you guys, welcome back. Your girl went to the Brown Sugar Babe event. Your girl met Makita, the Brown Sugar Babe CEO and founder, and now we are going to be unboxing the new fragrances, the new body oils that Brown Sugar Babe released recently. If it's your first time here, hey guys, my name is BerryFae, and I've been doing YouTube for like 10 years, and I still haven't reached my mark. So all you have to do is help me reach that by subscribing to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so Brown Sugar Babe, they released some new items. So I have a huge PR right here from Brown Sugar Babe. Thank you guys so much for always thinking of me. I truly am so grateful to be a part of the team. On the inside, full of all these goodies. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. The owner, Makita, yes, I got to meet her. Here's the picture. Yeah, we took a couple pictures together and her vibe was awesome. I love it so much. Go ahead and open it. I just love when they do the PR box. It's just so pretty, so cute. Start with Pink Pound Cake, and here is the, oh, look at that. That's what this is giving, y'all. That just looks so good. Y'all know I'm a good berry-licious girly, and this is literally me in a bottle. So I already know, because I am the BerryFae, I'm going to love this down. I already know. And it's gonna go so perfectly with the rest of my bottles. Look at that. My collection is growing. So this is Pink Pound Cake, okay? Literally looks like a strawberry shortcake dream. So the notes are strawberries, vanilla, and buttercream, obviously. Pound cake, it was very, very obvious. So let's get into it. Oh, I always forget. All right, so if you don't know, they always come sealed like this, and you can just twist it and pop it off like that. And just take that little piece of plastic off. Oh, not my mouth salivating. Literally strawberry shortcake in a bottle. Okay, y'all know I'm berry, so I'm super excited for this. Chop one, chop one, chop. Ooh. When I say the most nourishing body oils you can ever have, let's put her right here. Ooh, it's like the perfect sweetness. It's not like a straight up cake where it's like, why is my mouth? Wow, I love this. This is gonna be, ooh. I already know when I'm gonna wear this. After I get out the shower, that's all I'm gonna say. This is that one. Ooh, this smells so freaking good. I'm definitely pairing this pound cake body oil with this. When I tell you, you're going to smell like a delicious, edible queen right here. And I'm excited for it, okay? This is a 10 out of 10 in my book. Y'all know I love all things berry. This is literally me in a bottle. This should have named this berry, okay? The next one is called Rose. All right, so this one is Rose, comparable to Killian Roses on Ice. Okay, so this one is another one. This one is compared to a fragrance. That is the picture. It's literally roses on ice. So I could just imagine. And then the notes are cucumber, juniper and lime, rose, sandalwood, and musk. Ooh, that is a combination. Cucumber, I love anything with Ooh, I just know I'm going to love this. I love cucumber scents. Y'all ever use that Victoria's Secret cucumber body butter? When I tell you I love that thing, oh my gosh. Ooh, the most freshest scent. This is the type of scent that you start your day off with, okay? Oh my God, move this hair out of the way, honey. I'm so excited. Do one drop. Oop. I only want to do one drop because I don't want to waste my products, honey, okay? Ooh, that rose. I don't even like the smell of flowers. That's why I typically don't have flowers in my home unless it's like tulips. I don't even really like the smell of flowers, but this smells good. Ooh, the rose is very strong. Like this smells straight up like you picked a rose and you squeeze all the juice out of it. I smell the cucumber a lot, and I smell a little bit of the lime. The lime is very faint, but I like that because the cucumber and the rose just give you the most freshest scent ever, y'all. 10 out of 10. So this one I'm gonna pair with Replica, okay? I would definitely pair Rosé with Replica. Between the roses, the lime, the cucumber, and then the lemon tree. This is Under the Lemon Tree by Replica. I think these are gonna be really, really good together because it gives a very, very fresh and natural. Yes, they actually kind of smell alike. So I would definitely be pairing Rosé with Replica. This is gonna give you that fresh, ready on the go type of scent. I like these together. Literally infused together and like made a whole nother scent. Ooh, that smells so good, y'all. I promise y'all this smells so good. This Rosé with Replica Under the Lemon Tree together, absolutely amazing. There are 2 more in here and then 1 surprise. I'll show you guys the surprise in just a second. So the next one is going to be, oh, I'm saving this one for last. I'm saving that one for last. This is Julie Mango. Ooh, I already know what this smells like. Like, this smells like the Caribbean. Yep. Oh, ooh, I got the perfect fragrance. When I tell you I'm already ready, let me go ahead and open it while it's low. All right, so Julie Mango, which is super, super kind of obvious what it's gonna smell like, honey. Ooh, not me eating my own words because I thought it was gonna be obvious, and baby, it's not. Because if you look at the notes, it's not that obvious. So Julie Mango has top notes of black pepper, patchouli, and blackberry. That's me. And then the middle is mango and jasmine. The bottom is vanilla and orris. The top is black pepper. Think about that. Pepper gives you that smoky feel. Patchouli and blackberry. So it's gonna be like a little sex and dark mango. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Ooh, the black pepper is there. Let's go ahead and put her right here. Look at that instant. If y'all don't look at that hydration, look at this. Girl, one thing about it, 2 things for sure, you're gonna get hydrated. Ooh, this is not what I expected. It's like a little bit masculine because of the black pepper. Like I can see a little bit of masculinity in it, but in a good way because I still smell the mango. It's like pepper, mango, pepper, mango. I know, it's weird, but like you smell the pepper and then you smell the mango like right away, but I like that. And this is an original scent, so it is not inspired by anything. Oh no, it is. This is comparable to mango skin. All right, let me show y'all the picture. I like to show you the picture. Oh my gosh, look at the picture. Look at the animations, period. That is so cute. It's literally black pepper and blackberries, mangoes, and things like that. I really want to pair it with this one. I like this one because this brings out the more flirtiness. I'm trying to keep this cute and flirty for the season. I'm going to pair Julie Mango with Yara Tous by Latafa because it has that same pineapple citrusy feel as the Julie Mango, okay? And I think that would just lighten it up and make it really more flirty. So these together, 10 out of 10. Gosh, that smells so good. I tell you, that thing smells so good. Ooh, y'all. If y'all don't get none of these, you are asleep, honey. These things smell good. All right, so the last but not least of the body oils, because we do have a surprise. All right, the body oil, the last one we have is Crispy Cream. K-R-E-E-M, okay? That looks so freaking good. It literally looks amazing. And I know it's gonna smell just as amazing as it looks. Do not worry, you'll smell amazing. This original blend smells like the world's famous donut. Top notes, sweetened milk, ooh, granulated sugar and pastry flour. It's literally a dessert, okay? Confectioner's sugar, rich creamy vanilla, base notes, fried dough, buttercream, sweet vanilla glaze. It's dessert, baby. It is dessert in the most beautiful way possible. And oh, this might have to be a nighttime scent too when you want to get, okay? All right, this is Krispy Kreme. And we're gonna put her on this arm. So let's put a little dot. Oh my gosh, look at that arm. Look at that arm. If y'all could smell how amazing I smell between rosé, Julie Mango, pink pound cake, and now Krispy Kreme. When I tell y'all, I smell so good. Like I have to keep swallowing. Like I'm overwhelmed with how good I smell. I smell so good. I smell insanely freaking good. Ooh, look at that glow. Do I even have something that could, ooh. I think I might. Since we talk about desserts, baby, there's only one. I only got one that will possibly go perfectly with this Krispy Kreme, and that is none other than Choco Musk. Okay, this is the one you can get on Amazon. This little baby is only $8, y'all. I love this one down. Literally, I love this one so much. This is the perfect one because it got that chocolate feel with the donut. It's like literally a donut, and then with this on top. Take a moment because it smells so delicious in this room. It smells so delicious in this freaking room. I cannot lie to y'all. Like, I'm ready to have some company. Like, I want people to come over because it smells so good up in here. Dang. Okay, so definitely pair that Krispy Kreme with a chocolatey, yummy fragrance, an actual gourmand. Okay, this one I need to get another one of because I'm almost out. I love this one a lot, and it is so cheap and it lasts all freaking day. And if you spray your clothes, it's gonna still be on it. Okay, you can get this on Amazon. I'll leave a link down to all the fragrances I mentioned down below. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and see this mystery item that I'm so glad they sent to me because I have been wanting to try this out for the very longest. This is authentic African black soap in a black bottle, baby. Yeah, okay, black soap. All right, let's see what this is giving. I think this is something that you use like a body wash. Oh, wow. All right, look at it. Let's say this is what it looks like up close. Okay, you gotta shake it up a little bit, get all the things mixed in, but this is African black soap. I'm thinking maybe like for my underarms. I know that's gonna be good for that detox. Ooh, I'm gonna use this as a detox. This is a liquid authentic black soap. Great in the shower, okay? This is a soap you want to use if you want to get clean. You want to get clean. So if you know you got some build up under your arms and things, this is the one you use if you want to get clean. Made from centuries old recipe, palm oil and shea butter, pure and concentrated. A little on your loofah goes a long way. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be using this on my daily detox, and I have a routine coming so soon. Oh my gosh, I need to record it because between this and my body scrubs and my body butters, I'm gonna use this on my detox days, okay, especially like after shaving and whatnot. I'm super excited to use that, baby girl. All right, you guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it as it helps my channel grow. Okay, I really want to grow before this year is over. I need to get to 5,000, 10,000K by now. Your girl been doing this for a long time. So please give this video a thumbs up, heart the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. I need to get a move on it, okay? I've been doing this for a long time, a long periodically time. Okay, a long periodically time. It's about that time I retired from working 9 to 5. Amen? Yes. So anyways, thank you guys so very much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Oh,